Hello friends, how you doing today? Welcome to my channel and thank you so much for joining me. I'm here to make a little announcement of a new collab. Now I know there's lots of collabs going around, but this is one with me and Susan. We had the napkin collab in January and everyone enjoyed that so much and so did we. It was fun hosting it and it was fun seeing everyone. It was great seeing everyone's creations. It was so awesome. And so we, and a lot of people enjoyed it, we thought. And so we cooked up another one. So this one is all about bags, or I'm going to say paper bags. Susan might say you can also use fabric and make a bag. So, which, is perfectly acceptable, if you want to use fabric or other materials besides paper. So we're calling it, here's the hashtag, let's use paper bags. And it's open collab, so that anyone can join in. If you want to join in at home, you can do that. If you want to make a YouTube video, you could do that, or Instagram post. We're going to link your channels in our description boxes, and if you would link ours, you can just grab, we'll have our links under, like I'll have Susan and I's links under my video, so you can go and grab them and put them in your, that should work unless you need to, actually go and grab the link. But so here's the deal. So I'm Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming, that's the name of my channel, and Susan is Susan from Susan Hiles Art, in case you haven't heard of either one of us and you're brand new to our channels. So the instructions are pretty much, if you want to participate, like I said, post a video or YouTube or Instagram, and it's going to be the 3 Fridays like we did in January. So like today's the announcement for the first Friday, and the next 3 Fridays will be when you participate. So like you don't have to participate on every Friday. If you say, oh, I can't do this until, so-and-so date, the end of the last Friday, or you can only do the first Friday. You do whatever you can do, It's no stress, no pressure. That's the kind of collabs we like, just, just creating. So, that's the first thing, just, post wherever you're comfortable posting, and also link our channels in your description box. Subscribe to both of our channels. Let us know that you're going to participate, so we can link your, get your link for your channel or your Instagram, and use the hashtag in your description or in your title, and in your title actually, so it makes it easier. If it's in your title, it comes right up when if someone wants to search the actual hashtag let's use paper bags. So I think that's pretty much it. If I think of anything else, I'll let you know. But we have prompts for the 3 Fridays, but again, these are optional, just to get you on your way in case you don't know what you want to do and you need a little bit of a an idea. So but you can do whatever you want, any kind of paper bag or bag type of craft, that has to do with journals or paper crafting, all that kind of stuff. With Valentine's coming up, it could be fun to do something for Valentine's Day, or I'm going to say spring is right around the corner, right? It's going to come faster than we think, I'm sure. So something springy or Eastery even. So today's February 4th. The next Friday will be February 11th. And so the prompt for February 11th is decorate or make a bag. So I didn't say paper. Did you notice that? So you can make it out of a doily. You can make it out of a crochet. I've made a bag out of a crochet placemat. You can make it out of paper or fabric, whatever, just share what you're doing, what kind of bag you're going to make. February 18th, bag with a matching tag. Now, doesn't that sound like fun? I think that sounds like super fun because, I like to make tags. So make a bag with a matching tag. That's February 18th. That's the 3rd Friday in February. And February 25th, the last Friday in February, make a bag journal and decorate the cover. Oh, I can't wait for that one. So yeah, if you've never made a journal, or maybe you make journals and you've never made a paper bag journal, this would be your perfect opportunity to get lots of ideas, because there's several different ways to make a paper bag journal. You know what I mean? When Susan and I were talking about it. We even, the two of us were like, she's going to do this. And I'm like, oh, I'm going to do this, something completely different. You know what I mean? To make a paper bag journal. So even between just two people, we both had totally different ideas on what a paper bag journal is. Or not is, but, you know, ways to create one. So that, I think that's going to be super fun to see what everybody comes up with for making a paper bag. I'm going to say paper bag journal, and decorate the cover. So like for that one, I'm going to, my plan is to make the cover, paper bag journal cover. Susan or other people might want to make the whole journal. That's perfectly acceptable. Go for it, you know? So that's all I have on this sheet. Let me show you some paper bags. So this one here, I wanted to show you this. This is so cute. And I won this from a YouTube channel that, you know, it had a journal in it, a little, you know, mini journal, and I won the journal, and it came in this little paper bag. So this person made this paper bag, like this wasn't a bag, this is just paper, like paper bag material, you know, paper bag paper. And so she, I kind of examined it before I turned on my video, and I could see this piece right here is two pieces, and then there's a little third piece here, this little mirror, and these are sewn here, and here, and here, and here, and here. And this is a pocket. This is a pocket on the front of this little bag, okay? But she sewed this onto the bag. I looked in here, and the stitches are in here. So she sewed this onto this paper bag paper before she put the bag together. So, and then she made the paper bag, and she also sewed this little kind of like a hem right here before she made this paper into a paper bag. So she did that. She made it into a paper bag, and she also put handles on here. Isn't this super cute idea? To punch little holes here and put some ribbon for a handle. So I wanted to show that as an example of, you know, the first week is decorate or make a bag. So wouldn't that be cute to make a little bag like that? And I wanted to show you some bags I may or may not use. So you can use glassine bag. You know, it doesn't have to be a paper, like brown paper bag. It can be a glassine bag. I'm thinking I might make my journal cover out of one of these bags. I have a whole pack of these I had picked up at a thrift store. They're not anything like special, but they are paper bag and they have lines on them. But you know, if you have something like this with whatever is on it, you can totally cover up what, if you don't, you know, say you want to make a journal, but you don't want to have your journal have whatever is on your paper bag. You can cover it up with scrapbook paper, layers, whatever you want to do. You know what I mean? So if you have a paper bag, I wouldn't worry about what's on it. You know what I mean? And you can just use a regular lunch bag. I have those in my pantry. I didn't get them out, but and I saw one time, I don't think I've ever done it, but I saw Jessica Rapp at one time. She made some popcorn, I believe she called them popcorn bag journals. And if I can find her popcorn bag journal video, I will link it under here. And I've also made some journals out of paper bags, like I made some out of grocery bags and cut them up and used the really cool patterns that some grocery stores have on their paper bags, you know, the grocery bags, and use that as my cover. And they came out really super cute. So I'm going to try to find some of my previous paper bag journals, what I'm calling paper bag journals, and I'll link those below if you need some ideas. So here is one paper bag that I made from some kind of, maybe it's like glassine paper, but maybe it was a bigger bag and I wanted a smaller one or something, but I cut it, and this is me. I cut it, I cut this, I folded it, I glued it here, and I glued it here, and it looks like something, like I almost don't recognize that I did it because it looks kind of almost professional, but I remember it's like almost like, it's not really professional, but it almost looks like something you'd buy at a store, right? So anyway, yeah, I had this in my paper bag drawer, so that, and then these are also paper bags that I made from like papery, this almost looks like the paper you get maybe in a package, you know, from, you know, like packing paper. That's what it looks like to me. It might have been that. I don't know. I don't really remember. It's quite a while ago. But also, you know, I used my pinking shears here, and just cut it and glued it together. I can see I have gussets here, or I have pieces that I glued together on the sides, and then I guess I folded it up. Looks like there's a fold here. I didn't glue the bottom together, so I had a strip. I guess I folded it up, cut a little piece here, so I have, you know, 2 levels, like, you know, you see in a lot of bags. And then I glued the sides together, but with a little kind of, I'm going to call it, it's not a gusset really, it's just like a little hem where I had a, you know, like a seam where I had, you know, some paper to glue together to make the bag. And I made 2 of those. So here's the difference. See, this one I made the corners catty corner. This one I didn't angle the corners. Like, it really looks bad without the angled corners now that I look at it. Let me angle them right now, because I almost can't stand it. So yeah, I think this will be a lot of fun. I hope you join in. I know there's a lot of collabs going out there right now, but Susan and I, you know, like to cook up some. We're thinking about cooking up something every month, new ideas and fun things. So yeah, stay tuned for each month. Maybe we'll see what we can do with new things. And we like the open collab kind of idea. So dig out your paper bags and get ready, because this is going to be fun. And fun to do, fun to watch. And I think everyone, and including me, will really get a big kick out of it. And so yeah, that's all. This information will be in my description box. So that is it for today. Thank you for listening and watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Happy crafting.